Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking Zindagi. Today we have a special recipe which is loved by everyone. Guess what? Okay, here it is. Winner winner, chicken dinner. Yes, it is mouth-watering, tasty and spicy Telangana chicken curry recipe. Let's see how to prepare this super delicious recipe at home. In a mixer jar, take 1 stick cinnamon, 5 to 6 cloves, 3 cardamom pods, 1 tablespoon of shahi jeera, 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds. Ground this to a fine powder. Next, wash chicken couple of times with water. Take in a bowl, add 1 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and mix it well. Now add 1.5 tablespoons of prepared fresh garam masala powder. Mix this. Keep this aside for at least 2 hours. In a wide pan, heat 1/4 cup of oil. Add 5 to 6 green chilies, 2 cups of finely chopped onions. Fry them until they turn soft and translucent. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix well. It takes around 5 minutes for onions to turn translucent. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and fry it until the raw smell vanishes. Now add 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder and mix it well. Now add the marinated chicken. Mix very well so that the spices are combined to the chicken. Fry the chicken in the oil itself for at least 10 minutes until you can see the oil to the sides of the pan. Now add 1 cup of water, some salt, you can adjust the salt as per your taste. Mix everything well. Now close the lid and cook this until the chicken turns soft. You can see in the video the chicken is completely cooked and oil started to come up. Cooking chicken on slow flame makes the chicken tender and juicy. The chicken is almost ready. Finally, add chopped coriander leaves. And here it is, spicy Telangana chicken curry. If you follow the recipe, then you will be amazed with the taste and sure you will fall in love with this recipe. Do try this Telangana chicken curry for this Dasra festival and enjoy with your loved ones. And don't forget to let us know in the comments. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Happy cooking Zindagi!